Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're gonna be going over another trade. This time I'm actually like live doing the trade, so not really a recap. I have class at 9:30, it's 8:15 right now. Let's see if we can do this really quick. So look at our 4 hour, obviously going up in an uptrend. If you guys really want to see that, we can do this. We got high, lower high, or sorry, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower low. So a little bit of structure right there. Um, we're gonna. It looks like we're gonna keep going higher. If you go on the 1 hour, I'll look at these. So what we got here? We got a value gap right there. It's gonna be bearish. So I mean, it low-key disrespected a little bit. But it's gonna respect this. So it disrespected that. It disrespected the bearish fair value gap, but it's respecting this fair value gap right here, which is really what we wanted. Obviously, gonna go higher. We can look at previous day highs, and it's going up there. There we go. Okay, there's an indicator. So London session high is right here. New York market AM high was right here. Honestly, it might be coming back down to hit all these lows. Just because there's so much liquidity here, and we have that 1 hour fair value gap, it's going to try to target. Let's hide those again. I would say, so we got a 15-minute fair value gap right here, and a 30-minute fair value gap right there. So we're going to mark out this 30-minute fair value gap as a bullish fair value gap right there. On the 1 minute, or yeah, let's go on the 1 minute. So we still got fair value gaps right here, disrespecting this. On the 5 minute, so we got this 5 minute fair value gap right here, low key respecting. We also have this fair value gap, which I'm hoping it disrespects. So right now, I think that like we'll go with a bias of a bullish bias, even though it is going. I guess you never trade against a trend, right? So I would say maybe it's bullish, but I'm gonna wait for confirmation on this because if this respects this, we could target somewhere in here. There's not really like an intermediate low in there though. So like in here, there's not really one. So that's on a 30-minute time frame. So if this closes within 10 minutes, we'll see how that works out. Because if this closes below this, 10 minutes, I think we'll be okay. To really come with the buys against this 30-minute fair value gap though, not the 5 minute. So the 5 minute, if you want to target like the 5 minute fair value gap, which more like here, then you can take on the 1 minute, then you can really take like this right here if you wanted to when it disrespect that. But I mean, really, I don't think I'm gonna take that because this is not enough, and disrespecting on, I guess not disrespected yet. 3 minute, not disrespected. 5 minute, not disrespected. Oh wait, I guess this is up here. Okay, that was a 10 minute or something. I don't know. I just wouldn't really take that. But we do have like equal highs here. So if we this one, that loads. Hold on. There. Okay. doesn't want to get those equal highs. That's a long equal high. I probably wouldn't really like do anything with that. Well, you got like almost, you got a liquidity right here and almost an equal high right here. You also have this huge, like, look at all this liquidity that has not been taken out yet, you know? That's why I'm saying, like, oh, maybe it could be a short. Hopefully this video is not an hour long, because I have to leave. You also got this 15-minute fair value gap, which is getting respected right now. I have to leave at 9:15, so to get the class on time, which is. Anyways, we're gonna wait and then wait for this to either pop in or pop out. Low-key, low-key, we need to Be Real back. That shit was so fire. Always had fun on Be Real. So this is probably disrespecting this 5 minute, right? Yeah. So on this 5 minute, for value gap right here, disrespecting the 3 minute, disrespecting the 2 minute, and disrespecting 1 minute. You could probably take, I don't even know where you could really aim for. I mean, somewhere in here, or like here, you know. You can't really aim anywhere else. I'm gonna say, look at all these like just swing lows right here, but this is on the 1 minute, so let's go into the 30 minute. Reset this price chart. Bring this higher. Look at this. We got here. Come on, there we go. And then we got like here. And we got another one here. And we got the big one down there. We got all of these, not really fair value gaps in here for bullish, so the only one would be like that one, this on the 30 minute. I mean, we'll just have to wait. On a 30 minute for value gap. So a 30 minute for value gap. Let's see if this closes. 5 minutes. Let's see if this even goes down to short. Because if it is, then I'm taking shorts and I'm aiming for liquidity. I have to do some more editing. Oh, look, see, this is going right back up, so it might respect this 30-minute for value gap. Give it 15. I'm gonna get rid of this just because we're gonna be looking at higher time frame. What was this, like an hour? This is an hour. Low-key got disrespected, so we can get rid of that. This one got respected though. But if this disrespects on a 30-minute, and it looks like an hour, so on 30 minutes, that's a long day trading. I'll try to, I don't know if it'll be recorded, but I'll try to like trade on my tablet in class if I can, if I need to. Hopefully, like, can't really target any more longs, that's the thing, you know? Like, this is all-time highs. We did disrespect. Bearish here, like bearish value gaps there. And that was yesterday, because this is market open right here. Oh, wait, what? Where are we at? Oh, yeah. Yeah, oh, yeah, because we're in an hour. So, that was yesterday. Yeah, that makes. We're still disrespecting the bearish for value gaps, so I mean, it could just keep going higher and higher and higher. But if this does disrespect this, I mean, you have all this liquidity on here. I think it could go higher, but we have no idea how high. That's the thing. You know, because look at this trend. High. Boom. Could have caught this short. High. Chop. High. It was a bounce up. Chop. Bounce up again. Chop. Bounce low. High. Bounce low. We'll see. Look, this, like, okay, we do have like a little fair value gaps. So let's mark all these fair value gaps right here. You got that one right there. You got this one right here. So, the thing about price is it's gonna want to take out the fair value gaps, or take out liquidity, and then retrace the fair value gaps. So if this retraces go higher, and we don't really have any bearish candles for it to disrespect, I would say take out this liquidity, maybe retracing here, or take out this liquidity and retrace. Like, we could take, we'll see how high this goes, but I mean, I wanted to disrespect this. If it does, I'll probably take my take profit at this sweep of liquidity and have it retrace to this, or retrace back to this. I mean, there's kind of one here too. This is really small. As soon as we get that flip over on the downtrend, we can also kind of like alright, let's see what's going on over here. This is respecting a 5-minute fair value gap right here. Just ooh, look at that candle. Holy crap. Sorry for my language. Yeah. That's a crazy candle. Alright, so I mean we're just respecting this 5 minute for value gap right here, you know. Probably price is probably gonna keep going higher. Maybe we'll get an inverse and it could target liquidity. If it doesn't, I mean, I won't trade. You know, that's the thing. I just won't trade. That's okay. Like, really, I'm looking for my setup and how I want to do things, and I'm looking for the reversal to catch on the catch down. Yes, this is trending higher, but it's always gonna have to retrace and balance these out, and that's the thing, you know. And that's just like my strategy. So like, I watched PB Blake and TJR, and I just took like what I gained from that and stuff like that. Like how I put together my own little strategy, I guess. Like how everyone should. You know, you should learn what you want and then do comfortable with what you feel like. So I see like it's very similar. No one's strategy is gonna be the exact same though, because you guys are all gonna be trading differently. You know. Like I'm marking out all these bearish for value gaps that have not been really tapped back into or retraced into or are getting respected, and I want inverse. So I think once this disrespects and this 5 minute for value gap, you can like low key take this big one right here, take this liquidity right here, and on the 1 minute. Alright, let's do. I'm gonna have to cut the video again, so I can record on it. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to cut the video and then make another section on whatever or trading view. Oh my god, I can't remember the name for the life of me. Yeah. You got 20 or 15 seconds left. This chick can't go crazy. Alright, we're back with another section. The trading view won't let me record during screen for over 2 minutes. I don't have a good professional screen recorder, which I need to invest in once I start making more money. Or don't have to pay for bills. Anyways, so 8:30 right now. This candle just keeps going up. And low key, see, I would take these longs, right? It's a very bullish market. You just don't have. Um, where is it? You just don't have like anything to target, you know. which is kind of hard to do then. Okay, so like if you can look here, New York or Nasdaq is just going crazy in the 5 minute, and then these are both. Yeah, so New York going crazy or Nasdaq going crazy on the 5 minute, and yes, it's just like go back down. Literally going quite like literally opposites right now. So I bought the Trading View Essential Plan. The next one after the free one. It's good. Allows me to do this. Allows me to look at real market data. I have to buy the real market data. So now we're actually in a live market. But yeah, we're not 10 minutes behind. It's okay, you know. Not like anything really that crazy. I can look at S&Ts now, like putting ES and MQ. TGR posted live trading right now. So if you wanted to get into trading, I would watch his first off his bootcamp because the concepts are kind of old, but really they still work. Like that's what I use is ICT. Like it's just ICT basic concepts, and that's what he uses. That's what PB like uses. That's what like half the traders use. I think we're called retail traders. I actually don't even know all the terms. But that's like basically everything that everybody uses, other than like the people who don't use it. All the gurus, if they actually trade, they use that. And I know like the whole like news thing with TGR and shit, but sorry, I might have to cut that out. But yeah, the whole news thing with TGR, because even if it is all real, like the news, that means that like it doesn't mean really anything. Like his concepts still work and stuff like that. He goes live all the time and like shows that his strategy works, so he knows his strategy works. But anyways, his psychology videos are really like on his boot camp are like really what like help a lot. So if you were gonna get into trading, I would watch boot camp, write down a page of every single day. Then I would watch his path to profitability because that's what really helped me understood everything. Then I would go watch PB Blake's like 4 hour ICT concept explanation because that also helped a lot, and that even like helps with the charts and like how to take a trade and where to put your stop loss and how much to risk, or like where to put your risk in trading. Wow, this is just shooting, bro. So yeah. So you see how ES has like this low key high liquidity right here that just got taken out? Which means it probably will be doing a reversal, which hopefully means that the New York Nasdaq will follow. Well, that would be like kind of crazy, wouldn't it? Like that'd be crazy. We could gotta get in early on this price. Let's see back on that 15-minute. I'm going crazy. And 10-minute. So here we both are in the 5-minute. Finally took out this liquidity on ES. It's gonna start doing reversal, hit this swing low. Yeah, move this stuff up here. That's what's gonna do. If it disrespects this fair value gap right here, the low key looks like what it might be doing, and then I think we might take like a short here. The price reaches here, we'll target here, and this is 1%. We'll see what price does on ES, because this could be a bearish SMT. Because it's kind of took out this liquidity right here. There wasn't really any liquidity. Yeah. Damn. This one a lot higher. Like this. This one higher. So man, doesn't really look like it might be taking that out. So let's see what. Like this stuff's really going higher still. Another value here. We can we have this one. It marks out all the fair value gaps, and yeah, just so many bullish fair value gaps there. Like this is not even filled, not filled. This one got filled, not filled, not filled, not filled. You know. Go to class in 30 minutes, guys. Never gonna be able to do it. this stuff just keeps going up and up and up and up. Should have seen it coming, man. Look at this retrace right into this 5 minute parallel gap. Should have just saw it coming. Should have done 1-on-1. And I think that's like, that's an important part, you know, like next time I see that, I'll do 1-on-1. Or I'll just let it go, you know, and just not tread like a king now. Because there's nothing wrong with just missing. Right? Isn't like the point of trading to not to trade? So what am I doing? Not trade. Yeah, guys, we're 850. So hopefully we don't. If this turns around, what is it? In 10 minutes. If this turns around at 9 o'clock, we'll mark out equilibrium and see if it disrespects it. Oh, and it does not look like it's gonna turn around. Holy moly, man, it just keeps going. Could go, is it? Could yes. It's gonna retrace back to the downward. I'm gonna guess New York lunch is gonna be crazy. I might try to take a. I mean, this is really good price action for New York. Yeah. See, this is horrible price action. This is like kinda good. Pretty good. This is honestly great. London was really good. And then New York, we'll see how that plays out. So yeah. Oh, this is just keeps going higher and higher. We're at the 30 like 3 minutes ago. crazy. We do have equal lows right there. If you guys could see that, like right here, or like right there. Disrespect this fair value gap on the 1 minute, and disrespect this one, and disrespect this one. Respect this one. I don't know. Let's try to get rid of one of these fair value gaps. So big. Okay, I just realized I had a cut. Sorry about that. But oh, I really hope I had my microphone off in the last one because like it might be like an echo, and I don't really know that. I could just mute the video. Let's see here. We got fair value gap there, fair value gap there, equal lows right there. I'm have to leave for class in 15 minutes. Not much of a good day. No, you don't really trade after 10 o'clock. You have to wait. I really wish. I mean, I'd like to see like what I can put like music, if I can have music in the background. What is this on 5 minutes? Let's put this back. Respecting this fair value gap. We take a long. Dude, as soon as I take a long, it's gonna go short. Got a notification. My lecture today at 9:30 a.m. is in 30 minutes. Disrespect. Disrespecting this fair value gap right here. I really want to see getting this fair value gap disrespected, and aiming for like this spin low right here. I'll take that. What was the one that? Look at this candle. It's up and up and up, man. You know. Okay. Let's mark this out. This for this fair value gap. I want it to disrespect. Take this. Oh, that's not great. That's great. Okay. It's lagging. Come on now. Really? My internet is perfectly fine, man. Come on, TradingView. There we go. Alright, so let's equal disrespect equal this. Where take a straight. Low key, if it gets down to there, I low key would want to just take that W. Honestly, I would probably in the 5-minute put this. I'm not disrespecting anymore, so it's great. Bro, how do people get so like skinny and jacked? Like I'm like, I need to get back in the gym, man. School's killing me, man. Almost done now, like. I think we're almost done. We have like this week, next week of classes, and then the week after is exams. Calc 3, I'm so nervous about, man. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I have a 69 class. I'm gonna just be real. I have a 69 class. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you need a 60 to pass. So I'm passing. I need to do good on my final because I low-key just want a 70 in the class. Also, post on this. Zero. Okay, I need. Really not disrespecting this rally yet. to go to class soon. I'm gonna miss this trade, dude. Oh, that's kind of annoying. We'll see. I mean, we can put in this order if it does reach this, you know, create a limit order. I have to leave in 9 minutes. Oh, my class ends at 10:20. I think. Yeah, 10:20. And then I have class again at 2:30. So 3:45. Can't miss this one, bro. Let me see when that shit. When that thing is doing. May 12th. Literally next week. So keep chilling on that, and then I have the last week of classes, bro. Next week. Gee, man. It's just one that keeps ripping and ripping and ripping. Yeah. See, this is not wise work because it's literally missing a fair value gap right here. I wonder if it only does wicks because, like, this right here. You know, you could, like, low-key, like. Yeah, like that, right? There's no border. They make his like green. This. No, I think it's like this. That's too late. Something like that, you know. But there's one right there. Sorry, I just got really distracted right there. Yeah, this stuff just keeps on ripping, bro. I don't know, I just don't think we'll really enter a trade here today. So target. Definitely not entering a trade before we have to go to class. Like that's in 5 minutes. So also need to find a new shirt. I'm not wearing this to class. Really wanted to take this 1 minute. Wow, this thing's cursed. Wow, this is a crazy chop right here. This 1 minute time frame. Yeah, swing low, kind of. Like I don't really even know. Like that's gotta be swing low. This has to be a swing low. Swing low. Really I'm looking at these equal lows right here. Even the swing low is crazy. This is like what we're targeting. And then this swing low down all the way down here. We got another one all the way down here. We got a few more down here that man just really get taken out. But market just might not take them out, you know. And that's okay, we just want to take a trade. Okay, so look at this. Oh whoa, that's on the that gets respected on the 1 minute though, we could be sitting on inversal trend. Which would suck right now because I have to go in 4 minutes now. So that would suck. I'm gonna change my t-shirt. I don't know. We'll just wait because yeah, we'll just end it and wait. I guess that sucks, man. I'm sorry. It's gonna inverse and it's gonna hit my take profit, and I could just make this. Should we? It's a paper trading account, you know. Let's just create a limit order with this. Whoa, that's way too much, bro. 1%. Oh. I didn't mean to send it. Fuck. Oh, damn. Let's look at this balance history. Made $12 on that. Let's try that again. Create a limit order. 1% though. Yeah. Whoa, okay, I don't know what just happened. Okay, I don't know why it's keep going. I don't know why it keeps doing that. I want to create a limit order, guys. So when the price hits here, like, I don't really care if we lose money. We're gonna end up with 1% risk. Whoa. Alright, we're just gonna hit trade because I think this is like being crazy. So we're gonna put risk balance, and this gonna be 1%. Wait, no, okay, wait, hold on. I don't know why this is being like that. Yeah, we're just gonna like create this and put this as 1. And we're gonna, oh my god, and the thing is about to like stop recording in 15 seconds. And it's 9:15. No, okay, we'll do 5 more minutes. I could be a little late to class. It's only one more candle though. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna go change my t-shirt. Please look this up. Like, look after this for me. I don't know if it will work. I don't. This is. Of course, it's getting so volatile when I have to go. All right, I'll be right back. Just said put on a new center. Okay, but I don't think this is gonna, unless it respects this fair value gap, I don't think it's going to really come back down again. That was kind of crazy though. Really tapped into this fair value gap right here, even though it didn't really close into it. Just kind of whipped it. Anyways, I gotta go. I have to go to class. So I will see you guys later. And yeah. Alright. See ya.